Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your notifications on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off Pinterest notification, firstly go ahead and search for Pinterest application on App List. Long press on it and from the pop-up option tap on App Info. On the next page, click on Manage Notifications. Now slide the slider of Allow Notifications to the left side to turn the notifications off on Pinterest. This is how you can turn off Pinterest notification quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.